Hi, this is Scott Siskin. I'm the president of First Republic Mortgage Bankers. When you need a mortgage, call First Republic Mortgage Bankers and deal direct. Eliminate the middleman. No mortgage broker fees. Stop wasting your hard-earned money on your high-rate mortgage and your credit cards. You can save every single month by refinancing. You personally can save every month by locking in the lowest rates in over 30 years. And we make house calls to the entire tri-state area 7 days a week. Call 718-380-0006 if you're buying a home or you want to refinance your home. 718-380-0006.
So, Reverend Maxwell, how are you doing today?
I'm fine.
Okay. Welcome to Link Up Radio 93.5 WVIP. Is this your first time?
Yes. Not speaking on the station, but I believe it's the second time I've interviewed.
Okay, it is your second time. Well, once again, welcome here. And I just wanted to speak with you on behalf of what it is that First Republic Mortgage Bankers has done for you and what you think about it, if they have done something for you or if they haven't. Talk to me. What have they done for you?
Well, obviously they make us a great success by they bring the seminar to the church. We have First Republic came by us a numerous amount of time, and we have members that participate in the seminar, which they help to refinance and to pay off their debts and, lend them some money.
Okay, well, isn't that a great thing? I mean, First Republic Mortgage Bankers being in the community, going to doing several seminars across the tri-state area, going into the community, actually educating people on credit, rather than, bringing, individuals to the wrong, as they say, lead you to the water, bringing them to the wrong pastures and the wrong water. They're actually going to the people and letting people understand more about their credit. One of the things for me, Reverend Maxwell, is that First Republic Mortgage Bankers, when they go to the organizations and churches and catering halls and, venues, they don't force anyone to do anything. They're all about educating people and letting people understand more about what's happening with real estate financing. What is your take on what it is that they're doing within the community?
I think they are an educator, they are a knowledge giver, and they are an empowerer to the community, because God say we wish above everything that we've been prosperous and in good health, and everything must be balanced. We can't be heavenly good and earthly no good. One of our main objectives as a people is poverty, and we have to break the curse of poverty. And God wants His people to own business and to be prosperous and to inherit the earth. So what First Republic is trying to do, while we as the pastors give the spiritual bread, they came and they educate the people about their finance, how to spend their money and to budget their finance, and to give them a better life and also give their children a better life. Because the Bible said a good man leave legacy for his children. So I think First Republic have been breaking a lot of generational curses financially out of the community and trying to empower people and move that their life can be better.
And seeing that you're a man of God, and I'm not, putting you on the spot, but maybe I am, you do believe that First Republic Mortgage Bankers genuinely is a great organization to the community?
Yes, because first of all, it teaches you how to spend your money, how to repair your credit. Because to be good as a people is one, but we cannot reject knowledge. So they show you the awareness of knowledge to say, watch here. Even though you have no hope, you can get hope by, this is what you can do to repair your credit and to bring stability and confidence, and so you can move on with your life.
Right. Well, they say you can't be the jack of all trades and master of none. So I think we'll leave the gospel to you, and we'll leave the real estate financing to First Republic Mortgage Bankers. I personally would like to say thank you so much for being on the Daytime Link, where we have hundreds of thousands of individuals tuning in to get solid information that can help them in their life. And I must say thanks to Chris Arsenault, the credit doctor, Reverend Maxwell, who is physically at our studios ready to help a lot of individuals out there. Go ahead.
Before you go, Mr. Squeeze, we also have an annual tent meeting that we keep every June. So for our community and also for young youth. So First Republic, if you want to be a part of that, you could speak to me, and First Republic can also come there, because as I told you before, God wants us to be balanced and to run with knowledge. I believe it's our time, and it's time for change, and it's time for hope. So we'll be having our 10th meeting, and you could contact me more about it, and you're free to come and because I have a couple of people that have testimony to interview these people, so while they get the spiritual blessing, they also have a better life.
Right. And what you can also do, Reverend Maxwell, and this is an extension to you from the Link Up Media family, why don't you voice a 30-second or 60-second commercial about your church and what it is that your church offers, whether it be seminars, the services, and so forth, so we can air this on Link Up Radio weekly, so people can, know that you are there, where specifically you are, and come to you and ask you and reach out to you for help, just like we do with, of course, Bishop Martin and the Church of God of Prophecy. All right, sir?
Yes.
Thank you so much for being with us right here on the Daytime Link. We're looking forward to speaking with you again in the near future.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Once again, folks, it is the Daytime Link. Chris Arsena.
Thank you so much for
bringing Reverend Maxwell on the radio. I know you are. This is a word that I use a lot, and I love it when it's used a lot because it's a powerful word these days. And certain words that gets used a lot these days: empowerment.
That's it.
Advocate, advocacy. All right. And right now, you are an advocate of taking care of individuals out there who have some credit problems. It is something that a lot of folks are in denial about. They don't want to face their credit problems. They think that there is no help. They have been brainwashed by others to think that there is no help. They have been brainwashed by others to believe that, hey, you must wait on a loan program from me. You can't get one anywhere else. And as I always say, Chris, I always say to individuals out there, information comes at us in so many different directions. We have technology these days. Get on the internet, do your research, listen to radio stations, radio programs, watch television, read the newspaper. Get as much knowledge about anything that you're going to do, not just real estate financing. Analyze that knowledge, ask questions of other banks, pick up the phone and call. However, here on Link Up Radio, we will tell you that because we have absolutely nothing to hide. But I will tell you, when you do all of that information before or after, you need to communicate with my very good friends at First Republic Mortgage Bankers. If they cannot help you, then move on. At least you did not waste your time. You got some more knowledge than you had before. So, folks, here we're talking about real estate financing. I am going to open up the phone lines for you to speak with a loan officer from a direct lender. And me, I always say go direct because going direct from me works. Will it work for you? Well, you need to find out. So, Chris, what do you have to say to all the folks listening to us across the tri-state area before we open up two lines where people can speak with you and your team, bringing all that high-end laptops into the building to help folks with a tri-merge credit report and pre-approved individuals and all of that? What do you have to say, sir?
Well, again, Squeeze, I'm just happy to be in, again, reaching out to the people, as Reverend Maxwell said, we're taking it to churches, the organizations in the community to help out the people. The main thing is we have the resources, we have the information. Now it's time, again, to start applying it and taking it to the next level. A lot of people now are like saying, I have bad credit. They wear the hat and they don't take the thing. Okay, no problem. We all make mistakes. But these programs, government-backed loans, you come up with, you have a charge-offs, you have collections, no problem. Let's look at your scenario and see, how, what would be the resources or the analysis that you would qualify for. Don't say, I got bad credit and that's it. No, give us a call. Give us the opportunity to help you and use the resources that we have. The resources are there. These are government secured loans. And again, you won't know until you call.
First Republic Mortgage Bankers is a licensed mortgage banker, direct lender in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, Florida, Delaware, Maryland, Georgia, South Carolina, headquartered at 110 Jericho Turnpike, Floral Park, New York.